Hello guys, I'm deciding what domain registrar to go for when registering your domain name. Then I have 4 suggestions for you, and then I'll be picking the best out of these 4 suggestions. I'll be telling you why you should be going with that particular registrar. 2 of these registrars are local registrars, why 2 are foreign, and I'm going to be telling you why I use each of them, and then why one of them I consider the best when it comes to registering your domain. So the first one I'll be looking at is Google Host, which is a local registrar domicile in Nigeria. Yeah. So if you go to googlehost.com, so we're gonna try to register a domain that is not yet taken. So we are not buying, we are registering. So if I go with say web design, so webdesign 2024.com. So we are using the .com extension. So .com, and then if I search for this domain, hopefully it's not taken. Right here we ask who. Web Design 2024 is not taken, is available, and it's going for 9,900 naira. It's at 10,000. Now Google Host usually charge tax, which is about 700 naira, so it's probably a little over 10,000 to register this domain. So let's look at another local registrar, which is QServer. So I go to qserver.net. So you can also go to qservers.ng. So it's the same thing, it takes you to the same website. I'm going to search for that same domain. Alright, here we have it again. It is going for 9,900 naira, which is the same with Google Host. And then, okay, if I try to check out now, you will find out that of course they also charge, it comes with a tax for about 700 naira, so a little above 10,000 naira. Now these are the 2 major local registrars that I can recommend. However, as far as domain is concerned, I will urge you to hold your horses just yet. I'll be going for GoDaddy now. So GoDaddy is a foreign registrar. So we'll go for GoDaddy, and if you check, you're gonna find some amazing discount that is not so amazing. So if I go for webdesign 2024.com, find what, okay, yeah. So you see what I mean. So it's $0.01. Like I said, it's amazing, but just don't get excited yet, because so for the first year with a 5-year registration, which means you will have to register this domain for a 5-year period for you to claim this offer, which for me is not an enticing offer. So if I go to continue to cart, so you're gonna see what will happen. So instead of paying $0.01, which is about 1 cent, so instead of paying 1 cent, here is what you'll be paying. So I'll just uncheck all of these. So I will uncheck that so that we don't so we'll just go for privacy policy. Now I'm coming back to this feature as we progress, and then I'm gonna go with this. Just the domain is all we need. Right. So once that is done, I'll click continue to cart, and there you go. This is why I said it is not that exciting. So it says 5 years. So if I go for 1 year now, so if I go for 1 year, it's about $11. You get it, you get the point now. So basically GoDaddy goes for $11, sorry. So if we check the equivalence in naira, so hopefully they'll probably are going with the black market. So we go for USD in naira. So I guess it's a black market because that's what most use. So okay, in black market is about, so $1 is 7.45. So we would just say for 7.45, so 11.99 multiplied by 7.45. So that will give us about 8,000 naira. So it is again cheaper than either Google host or Q service. But not just that. Remember, during the time of signing for this domain, there is this feature we check, which is the domain privacy. So domain privacy, what it does is that it takes all of your contact information, and then they are redacted from the public view. So when somebody does a who is checkup for your domain, this free privacy protection kind of hides all your contact details, your phone number, your address, your email from the public view, and it is free. Now with Google Host, it is not free. They do not provide who is privacy, and if you're gonna need that service, you'll be paying around 5,000 naira for it. So which means you're buying the domain for, so you are buying the domain for about 15,000 plus. The same applies with Q service, so they don't come with the who is privacy, so you're gonna have to pay for it. So suffice to say that GoDaddy is leading, but again, hold your horses. Now the last one I'm gonna be showing you is the Namecheap. Now for me, Namecheap is the good of all of these services. So, and I will be showing you why. Now if you are coming for the first time, you're gonna be paying $5.98, but that's not the actual price. This is a discounted offer, and it is available for everybody provided you use the code. So if we do a web design, so web design 2024.com, and then we search, so we'll see the actual price now. So the actual price is $9.76, but then you see there is a 5.98 discounted offer when you use the code here. So this is it right here as well. So when you use this newcom 598, so you're gonna get discount. Like I said, it is a newcomer discount, so you have to be using it for the first time, else this discount will not be applied. But I'm just gonna copy, even though it will not be applied for me. So when I've copied that, and then I'll proceed to check out. So I'll proceed to check out. So if I try to apply this code, so it's gonna tell me that this coupon has expired, and that's because it's probably applied to my account already. So but then for you, it's gonna work just fine, and then you will end up paying around $6, so $5.98. Again, Namecheap also comes with free who is privacy protection. So like GoDaddy is going to protect your contact details from the public view. So all your contact details will be redacted from the who is lookup websites. So again, we'll check how much this is in naira. So $6. So we're gonna multiply by 742, and that will give us about So that will give us less than 5,000. So if you compare GoDaddy and then if you compare GoDaddy with Namecheap, so Namecheap is definitely the growth of them all. And then another funny thing is that the renewal for GoDaddy for Namecheap is just about $14 to register your domain with. Go ahead and use Namecheap. Their customer service is top notch. Just to say that I have an affiliate link with Namecheap. So when you use my link to make a purchase, I receive a small commission from your purchase at no extra cost from you. So go ahead and then try Namecheap, and you'll find out that they're a great service. Now don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and again let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section.